Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox dragon fruit juice. This is something that you could try during breakfast. We take one medium-sized dragon fruit, slice it right in between, and cut it into 4 quarters. The white pulp with black spots that you see in between is what we require and is very rich in vitamin C. We would now have to scoop the pulp right from between using a spoon. We will scoop this out from each of the quarter of the dragon fruit that we have cut and add it into a separate container so that we can carry it into the mixer grinder. It is now time to juice. We now add the dragon fruits which we have cleaned into a mixer grinder jar. We add a spoon of jaggery to it depending on your taste. We will then add some lemon juice on top of it to provide some tangy taste to the juice. We top this up with some salt, add some pepper. Then we add water enough to submerge the dragon fruits completely, and it is now time to grind it well. You see, the juice is ready. Our 100% detox dragon fruit juice is ready to be had.